Hello guys, this is Praxis ARCHVIZ. Today I'm going to show you how to do a realistic flooring in SketchUp. It is very easy. I'm going to go and click on my plane. Make sure and go and download this ARCHVIZ plugin. They have a free version that you have access to two patterns, these tiles and this flooring. These other patterns, if you need them, you got to pay for Pro. Alright, for this tutorial, I'm just going to show you how to use it. It's very easy and it gives you a really nice render. I'm going to click this flooring. I'm going to change this to 1800. Change this one to 90 millimeter. And then I'm going to leave this to 3. I'm going to leave this to 1. Oh, 3, 1 is good. Okay, so this is the grout depth. This is the grout width. And now here we have the rotation, the randomness. I'm going to leave it at 50. The bevel, I'm going to leave it at 1. And the rotation here, this is where you want your plans to direct. Do you want it this way or that way? For me, I want when you enter inside the house, you face the plank. So I'm going to leave this to I'm going to just put this to a 90 degree angle. Okay, so all of this is done. Click your plane you want to apply this on. So if you click it, don't click the edges, just the plane, the face. Alright, so after clicking this, I'm just going to click generate. I'm going to give it a time. Perfect, complete. Now, as you can see, we still have our old plane there. I'm just going to right click and hide it or delete it if you want. Okay, so this is the our flooring we have here. Now, if you want to apply a UV texture on all of it, I just enter inside the group. There are groups. If you enter inside the group here, you can either ungroup all of it. Okay, just a sec. I'm just gonna select this. Select all of this. This side is okay. Alright, I'm going to ungroup this. Explode. Now they are grouped as individuals. Ungroup. Okay, so to apply a texture to all of it, I'm just gonna open my Enscape material. Wood, so that all of them will be UV matte like the same time. To do that, I'm just gonna go and select all this again, like I did, and apply this texture to all of them. So you can see now you have your realistic flooring with no problem. Let's open I know this scene is not for actually okay, this scene is not okay, so let's go and open Enscape and see the final results, how this texture is gonna look. Even though this scene is not really set up for Enscape, but you will see how the final results is gonna look at the end of the day.